that's awesome. What was it you were gonna save again? Oh. Oh, there's foam from the seat. I love the smell of scooter burning. Aim and point.
I told gentlemen, I said, man, I hate this because you get all lax and shit. You just relax and then all of a sudden, boom! But at that time,
Get anything that you see cindering, Brett.
Yeah.